In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a headlight on a Nissan NV2500. It is located in the front of the vehicle. Once you've raised your hood, your grille is installed on the top. You have 6 clips, 3 on each side. If you take a pick, slide it down on the top part of the clip and push down and push out on the grille, you will unclip them. Now do that for the remaining 5 clips. On the side of your grille, where it meets the headlight, you're going to have 2 clips, one here and one right below that. You need to unclip those. To do that, take a flat blade screwdriver, install it into here, push down a little, and pull out. Do the same for the one right below it, and then do the same for the other side. If you pull the grille back on the top a little bit, you can see down the bottom, you have 6 of these clips. If you take a pair of pliers, squeeze together, and pull out on the bottom of the grille, you will release those clips. There are 6 of them. Do the same for all 6. Once you unclip the bottom of your grille, pull straight out. Right where your bumper meets your fender, you have your fender liner. You want to peel that down. There's a 10mm bolt that holds your bumper to your fender. You need to remove that. Once you remove that 10mm bolt, you want to pull out on your bumper. Unclip your bumper from your fender. You have one 10mm bolt here. You need to remove that. On the top part of your headlight, you have 2 10mm bolts. You need to remove those. Then you have your headlight harness. You want to push this button in, pull straight out. Just to the left of your headlight on the top part of your bumper, you have 1 clip. You need to remove that. I'm just taking a screwdriver, lifting up the center, and pull straight up and remove your clip. Pull out on your bumper, lift your headlight straight up and out. And there's your headlight. Before you install your headlight adjuster is here. It is a 7mm Allen. You're going to be able to get to this adjuster through this hole. To install your headlight, pull out on your bumper, slide your headlight down, install your 2 tabs on the top first, and install your bolts. Once you install your bolts, install the harness for your headlights. Listen for the click. Now you can tighten your 2 top 10mm bolts. Take your clip, reinstall it back into your bumper, and push the center down. Now you can install your 10mm bolt on the side. And clip your bumper onto your fender. Line up your tabs and push. Now you can install your 10mm bolt underneath where your fender meets your bumper and tighten that. And tuck your fender liner back in. Before you install your grille, you're going to have clips all the way down the bottom. There's 2 on the side, on each side. You want to line up those holes with the clips that are on your bumper. Once you have all your clips aligned with your holes, push in and lock them in. Your top part of your bumper has the 6 clips. You want to line those up with the holes and push straight in until they clip in.
Now let's get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure that all 4 tires are set to the appropriate vehicle manufacturer specified pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Then transfer that height measurement to the wall, marking it with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, marking that with another piece of tape. On the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turn the headlights on. It is easiest to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster, and in most cases using a Phillips head screwdriver, you can turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight beam up or down. Once one headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for this one. With the second one adjusted, your headlights are now aimed correctly and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.